Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fences for dogs that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Midwest Folding Metal Exercise Pen. If you're looking for an inexpensive dog fence you can throw up quickly and pack away when you're done, this is a perfect choice. A classic exercise pen, the Midwest Homes Metal Dog Pen provides 16 square feet of enclosed space for your dog, and it can be expanded with the purchase of additional panels. The 2-foot wide panels can be arranged in several configurations, including a divided space to separate two dogs. The lightweight panels may not be strong enough for determined escape artists, even with the addition of ground stakes for extra security. Still, the variety of available heights, the sturdy metal construction, and the affordable price makes this exercise pen a great temporary or portable option to keep pets contained. Moving on at number 4, we have the Best Pet Heavy-Duty Pet Playpen. Searching for a temporary dog fence that doesn't compromise on space? This strong, secure dog exercise pen is made of steel panels coated to prevent rust and corrosion. Each panel is 40 inches high, great for breeds of all sizes. It also comes in packs of 8, 16, 24, and 32 panels, allowing you to enclose a smaller or larger area for your pups as needed. The fence can easily be set up in a circle to create a sturdy outdoor dog pen or placed against a wall to expand on a particular area, which is great for dog-friendly travel. The secure gate makes it easy to get in and out of the pen without letting a dog escape. Even at almost 4 feet tall, enthusiastic jumpers may be able to clear the height, but overall it's a great option for use at home or on the road. At number 3, we have the Corbor Garden Decorative Fence Panel. When the aesthetics of your home call for the classic styling of a white picket fence, this easy care vinyl version is a handy and practical option. Each panel is 36 inches tall and 84 inches wide. They're sold in packs ranging from 1 panel to 10, allowing pet parents to purchase the exact amount they need, and extra posts are available as well. While the overall height is lower than some options, the picket styling helps to deter dogs from climbing or jumping over. Plus, the fence can be installed on concrete or grass, making it a flexible option for a variety of yard styles. At number 2, we have the Cleso 5-panel no-dig outdoor garden fence. Designed primarily as a decorative garden barrier, this 5-panel metal fence with a built-in gate is a great option for small dogs. The weather-resistant metal construction installs easily with no digging required, and the fence can be shaped in a variety of configurations to fit your yard and your pup. At 32 inches tall, this fence best for small dogs. It comes in 5 and 10 panel options for flexible sizing, and it's made of rust-proof metal with a stylish scalloped shape. And finally at number 1, we have the Tenax Pet Fence. If you're looking for something unobstructive, semi-permanent, and affordable, this plastic dog fence is a fantastic option. The border fence installs in a jiffy to keep your dog in, and other animals out of, the yard. It's made from strong plastic and can be used as temporary fencing or a more long-lasting solution. The 4-foot-tall polypropylene fencing material comes in lengths of 100 and 330 feet. Stretch it along the perimeter of your yard, securing it to stakes or posts for a low-visibility, high-impact fence. The fence is budget-friendly and easy to install with zip ties or a staple gun.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon